Hello, I chose to do my audit on Revolution Foods. It's food safety and quality plan. I'm gonna give you a little background, company overview, and food safety team. Revolution Foods Incorporated was founded by Christian Gross Richmond and Christian Tabe in 2006. Revolution Foods headquarters is located at 8393 Catwell Drive, Suite 200, Oakland, California. Revolution Foods has 8 processing facilities located throughout the contiguous United States. This policy is referenced in the NEN Boston, Massachusetts processing facility. The NEN facility is approximately 27,552 square feet in size and contains refrigerated processing rooms, coolers, freezers, and offices. Approximately 78 full-time personnel employed at the NEN facility and by Revolution Foods Incorporated. Operations are scheduled on number one shifts, 5 days a week, 260 days a year. The new facility processes and distributes hot and cold and frozen ready-to-eat RTE meals. We're gonna have a food safety team, which is gonna be a chief operating officer, director of operations, QA manager, purchasing manager, and production manager. Also, we're gonna do an audit on product description, distribution, customers, and intended use. Excuse me. Also, some process descriptions on receiving the raw material and packaging. And also the storage of raw materials and packaging. And then we're going to have a hazard analyst. It's going to have ingredient processing steps, identifying potential food safety hazards introduced, controlled, or enhanced at this step. Do any potential food safety hazards require preventive control? Justify the decision for number 3. What preventive control measures can be applied to significantly minimize or prevent the food safety hazard? And also, is the preventive control applied at this step? Also, we're gonna audit type of preventive controls. We're gonna audit process preventive controls, allergen preventive controls, good manufacturing practice controls, sanitation preventive controls, supply chain preventive controls. Also, we're going to audit process preventive controls is process control, hazards, parameters, values, or critical limits, monitoring how, what, who, and the frequency, corrective actions, verifications, and records. Then we're going to audit the implementation records, monitoring records for preventive control. Also, we're going to monitor records for preventive control. It's going to be corrective action forms, verification records, supply chain vendor approval packet records, training records for qualified individuals. That's going to be in personal files, food safety plan, reanalysis report. And also, we're going to audit a verification of records. And this is going to be the ending of the food safety and quality plan audit for Revolution Foods.